Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.0 stable release on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Parrot Security OS official website. It is parrotsec.org. See here, Parrot OS 7.0 is officially out. Click on download or download, both are same. Then we have to select categories. Live means it is full version of operating system. Virtual means it is pre-built and IoT. Okay, so in this video I am going to download ISO. Then select the editions, security or home. In this video we are going to download security edition. Click on it, then architecture. Then see here we have the version 7.0 echo. Echo is the code name, and this is the default. And see, these are default credentials. And see here we have direct download and by using torrent. Either the same, whatever you want, you can click on them. I want to download by using direct method, so click on download. No need to register. See, download started. See here its size is about 7.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. See here, I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox. Okay. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the NO space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, and OS version is Debian 64-bit. Okay, Debian is fine because Parrot Security OS is based on Debian. Okay, don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then go to this virtual hardware section. I am giving memory as 4 gigabytes. These are then number of CPU cores, these are based on availability. Then hard disk, I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. See, if you want to use this for live or test environment, you can use and you can shut down. But if you want to install permanently, see here on the desktop we have the install Parrot. Just click on it or double click on it to open, or select it and hit enter. Select the language and click on next. Select the location or time zone. Okay, see, we have the region and zone. Okay, whatever you want you can select. Okay, I am going with the defaults, so click on next. Select the keyboard model. I am going with the defaults. Click on next. See, this is a fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk. And if you want to encrypt the system, you have to select this checkbox and you have to provide the password. Okay, I don't want, so bootloader location I am going with the default, so click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving username as R2 schools. See, this is the user full name and this is the username, and this is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has been completed. Now we have to restart. See here, restart now. Keep the checkbox and go to VirtualBox Manager. Then select the virtual machine here. Then click on this optical drive. Then remove disk from virtual drive. Then select force unmount. Then come to here and click on keep the checkbox, that is restart now, and click on done. Then right click on here and reset. Now provide the password that you have set for this user. Hit enter. See, we got the plasma made by KDE. See here, Parrot updater. If you want to update, click on update now, or later also you can update. If you want to see donate to KDE, if you want, you can click on donate. Okay. Otherwise, no thanks. See, before on desktop we were having install Parrot icon. Now it is gone. Okay. Now click on this menu. See here we have different applications. In pen testing we have different sections. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Just Ctrl ++ to increase the font size. Now verify the version /etc OS-release. See, we have installed Parrot Security OS 7.0. This is the code name, that is echo. Okay. The first step after connecting to Parrot Security OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ---- sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the user that you have created. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.0 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.